Well, hey everyone, Dave Cook at DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper, and we are in a laundry room. It's a lower level of a house. You can kind of, well, I probably can't see because it's too much of a glare, but there's the ground level, so we're a little bit below that. So they had some issues with this door and some water coming through where the deck is above here, coming through the bricks. They had to redo it and all that fun stuff. So we're getting ready to paint. One of the things we tell our guys that we train for, and trying to tell you now too, is one of the things you're looking for. They just read the drywall. You can see old wall, new drywall, the mud work. So before you're painting this, we put primer up. Before we prime it, we use these dust mops and we dust the wall kind of like this. It looks like a dust mop, but except for a wall. And so we actually dust it because that's what's still on the wall. And as long as you're putting paint where that's at, that paint is not gonna stick like it should. So any place where these little patches are, any place where you have these patches on the wall, we use a little bit of a primer. Guards is our favorite go-to because it dries fast. You can feel the dust, you can hear it, but you can really feel it. Your hands get really white fast. So they'll prime those areas first before they'll install paint, before they'll apply paint. That way the paint sticks, it doesn't bubble. We don't have the issues where if someone puts a piece of tape on a wall, it's not gonna pull a paint off. It's gonna adhere to that wall and create a really good bond. So just a quick tip, if you have these kind of repairs to your wall, after they're sanded, dust, you can use a rag or a towel, what have you first, but make sure that you're doing that before you put any paint. And before you put paint, make sure you put primer. Just a quick drywall sealer that you're putting on there. Again, we like Guards. Draw-Tite's really good. There's some other ones, but those are our two favorites that we go to. Got questions about painting? Give us a call at DeFranco Painting and Wallpaper. We're here to help you. Love the space you're in.